Welcome to Module 1 of our Blogging Masterclass. In this module, we'll explore the power of blogging and the myriad benefits it offers for personal branding, business growth, and income generation. Let's delve into the exciting world of blogging and understand why it has become a game changer in the digital age. 1. The importance of blogging. Blogging is not just about writing random thoughts on the internet. It is a powerful tool that can shape your online presence and impact others. Whether you're a creative individual, a business owner, or an aspiring influencer, blogging has something to offer everyone. 2. Benefits of blogging for personal branding. Establishing authority. Blogging allows you to showcase your expertise, skills, and knowledge in your chosen field, positioning you as an authority figure. Building credibility. A well-maintained blog with valuable content can boost your credibility and reputation among your target audience. Networking and opportunities. Blogging opens doors to new connections, collaborations, and potential opportunities for personal and professional growth. 3. Benefits of blogging for business growth. Content marketing strategy. Blogs are a cornerstone of content marketing, attracting and engaging potential customers with relevant and informative content. Increased web traffic. Blogs can significantly increase website traffic, leading to more leads and potential conversions. Improved search engine ranking. Consistent and quality blogging can boost your website's search engine ranking, driving organic traffic. Connecting with your audience. Blogs provide a platform to connect with your audience, understand their needs, and receive feedback. 4. Benefits of blogging for income generation. Affiliate marketing. Blogging allows you to promote products or services through affiliate marketing, earning a commission on sales generated through your unique links. Sponsored content. As your blog grows in popularity, you may receive opportunities for sponsored content collaborations with brands and companies. Digital products. Blogging can be a platform for selling digital products such as ebooks, courses, or templates, generating passive income. 5. Identifying your blogging niche and target audience. Before starting a blog, it's crucial to identify your niche and target audience. Consider your passions, interests, expertise, and what value you can provide to your readers. Narrowing down your niche will help you create focused and relevant content that resonates with your target audience. 6. Setting clear goals and objectives. Define your blogging goals and objectives. Is your primary aim to share knowledge and inspire others? Or do you intend to build a profitable blog and earn income? Understanding your goals will guide your content strategy and help you stay focused on your vision. Blogging has the power to transform your personal brand or business. As you progress through this masterclass, you'll learn practical tips and strategies to harness this power effectively. So let's begin your blogging journey and unlock the true potential of your voice in the digital realm.